Everyone, it's Fans and Other Good Stuff here with another ceiling fan. This is the Harbor Breeze Crosswinds. I have 3 of these in the house, if you probably remember from my old account. This one has a brand new remote because the other remote fried out to prove how crappy it is. Sorry I have the light on my phone, you could probably tell. Oh, that shines. This remote is almost like a Casablanca Comfort Touch, but not quite. I'll turn on the light first. Here's the light. And it would do like a normal remote do. Can't really tell, but it actually lights up, dims. And now I will turn it on. Here's low. This one has a very fast low. It's a lot faster than mine. Just because of the remote. One thing about these pull strings too is that they're pretty crappy. They hang pretty low. It's very easy to get your head banged on. And those are they're not too heavy, but they are kind of heavy. And I think that it's a pretty good fan. I can feel the air actually bouncing on my skin. Not a whole lot, but there is some. Turn this up to medium. Definitely has bearing noise. One thing you could probably tell when it's running is, well, won't do it on this speed, but when it's on high it wobbles like heck. Very bad wobbling fan. Are you ready? Yeah, this is a pretty bad wobbler. But it's still safe enough to be used on the ceiling, so. Can't even tell it's wobbling. If I turn on the light, you'll probably see it better. Doesn't want to show it, but you can probably hear that noise. In reality, it's wobbling like heck. It's wobbling more in reality. So I'm just going to leave it up on the speed, but thank you guys for watching.